Hello, I'm Robert Batlle. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tip for the rear hub, which is on the rear hub pin on the arm here. Sometimes so many people ask me that they broke the pin on the thread just where you tie the nut. So I found a small tip to not to broke the thread and the pin anymore. So I'm going to show you now. You just need a 2mm shim, a 2mm Allen, and 5.5 nut tool. So I'm going to show you how to make it. It's so easy, and you will prevent to break the rear pin. So you will like it. Let's go. So here we have the hub and the pin here with the shim. We will need about 2mm, nut 2, and as you can see, the pin, the thread, it's not going into the plastic. So once you tied so much the nut here, it just tied to the pin. It doesn't tie to the plastic to make it harder. So it means when you're tightening the nut so much at the end of the thread, it will break easy. So the best way is to make the 2mm shim like this. Then you put the nut and you will tighten it until the hub and everything goes free, but the nut make press the plastic and the nut. You see, now the shim still moving. So you tighten it. Now the shim is tied to the plastic and the hub moves free. So once you make this, it just finished. So the nut will press the shim and plastic, so everything will be okay. The hub is free also, so the nut is not pressing the thread at the end. It's just pressing the shim to the plastic, which is okay, and you will not break the pin anymore. So this is all. We have the hub here. It moves free, as I told you before. So this is all for me. I hope you like that tip. If you have any other question, just let me know down here in comments, or also on my Instagram, robertbatlle36, or my Facebook, and Robert Batlle RC Driver. I will answer you for sure. Maybe it takes 1 or 2 weeks sometimes, but I will answer you for sure. And also, if you like that video, remember to share with your friends and all RC community, so we will all grow up together. And if you didn't like it, share it also, please. So yeah, so we'll make more videos. I will make videos in English and Spanish also, so I will make both. If you need any video in English that I make in Spanish and you need it, just let me know also, whatever, at any video or at any Instagram or Facebook from me or Mugen MBX8 Europe also. So thank you for watching that video, and we'll see you on the next ones. Bye bye.